Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 71 Buick, 350 under the hood, top goes down, beautifully restored, and you are gonna love checking it out. It's got beautiful chrome, beautiful paint. The car is amazing. Love the hood on these cars. All the body lines are looking sweet. The stainless is looking great. Just one gorgeous car, guys. It's got the gorgeous Buick wheels on it, wrapped with some BFGs. The body lines on the doors are looking sweet, matched up nice. Look at that, beautiful. Doors operate great. Look at that door panel there, beautiful. And take a look how nice and clean the door jamb is. That dash is also looking sweet. And check out the center console. You want to talk about beautiful? That is unique to Buick right there, guys. Back seat's got seat belts. That back seat also doesn't look like it was ever sat in. You want to see about 100 pictures of the car with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. There'll be plenty of pictures with the top up. All the faces of the gauges are looking sweet. All the gauge lenses are looking good. We'll grab the keys here so we can get in the trunk. That quarter panel straight as can be. That chrome on that rear bumper's looking sweet. Getting the deck, look in there. Look how nice and sweet that looks. We got jack, lug wrench, spare tire, wheel wells nice and tight. Nice solid in there. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. Trunk floor looks good. Always check your deck lid, check your lips on your deck lid, check your paint work on your gutters. Look down the side of that car. Look how nice and straight that paint work is. Here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment work whatsoever. That means we own this Buick, so you can bet we spent the time to check this baby out before we bought it. Then when they get here to the shop, we inspect the cars so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will answer any question you have about the car. You want some additional pictures of the car? No problem whatsoever. Tom will get you anything you need. Now, I've got about 35 years of experience in the business, and I get to pick out every one of the cars we have here at Vanguard. So I'm going to put those years of experience to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in a 71 Buick Convertible. You want to talk about rare? This baby is rare. There's not very many of these out here. This thing is sweet, guys, and you know Buick always built a better car. These things drove better in 1971, and they drive better in 2019 too. It's a sweet ride right here, guys. Riding along great. Top goes down, sun's out. Let's go have some fun in the Buick. This thing is sweet, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Buick anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513, and he'll explain the whole process to you. He will take care of all the paperwork for you. All you need to do is make that phone call to Tom, and he will take care of the whole process for you. Now, if you need help with financing, he will take care of that for you too. All you gotta do is talk to the banker for a few minutes, and they will take care of everything for you. As you can see down here on the dash, it looks like everything's working on the dash. The tach's working, the speedo's working. Everything looks like it's stock. It's got the stock Buick radio, isn't that cool? That is sweet. Even the horn's working, guys. This is one sweet ride right here, Buick Convertible, 1971. For this car to have lasted all these years, someone has taken very, very good care since 1971. It's sounding good. It's got a great exhaust system on it. One of the things I really like about it is this center console. Man, it is great. I tell you, I wouldn't want to have to find one of these center consoles anywhere. Talk about rare. Now, we are open 6 days a week, and we invite you to please come visit us. Even though we sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, we invite you to come visit us. We're close to the airport. Matter of fact, we'll come down to the airport and pick you up. We're open on Saturdays if you'd like to drive in. Here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 200 cars in stock. Now stick with us. We're going to put it up in the air for you right now so you can check out the underside. All right, we're underneath this Buick now, and it's pretty under here. You can see it looks like the gas tank's been restored. Trunk floor is nice and solid. Frame's nice and straight. Chrome on the back bumper looks good. Drop downs look good. Exhaust system's in good shape. Shocks look fairly new. Right around a 307 gear in here. And we did roll it over to count it. And when we rolled it over, both tires are going in the same direction, so we do believe it is posi. Lower control arms are in good shape. Bushings look good. On the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they look like they're in good shape. We do have the extra braces here going from the lower control arms up to the upper cross member. The upper control arms also look like they're in decent shape. The lower frame here and the low spots is where I always like to check to make sure it's in good shape. This frame does look like it's in good shape. Back sides of the rockers are nice. It's still got the little rubber flappers here for the vapor escape. We've got a good looking frame here too. Again, check this lower area, especially where all the holes are. It all looks great. I always run my hand on the back side of the rockers here. Again, nice and smooth. The pinch weld looks good. Floorboards look good. Transmission is a turbo 350. It is numbers matching. Again, another low area in the frame where the big hole is here. Another good area to check on, and it looks good. You can actually see up in there, and you can feel around in there. It feels nice and smooth in there. Looks like a new ball joint here. Looks like new ball joints in the top. Backing plates definitely new. Looks like the brakes have been rebuilt. And again, the guys will check those all out. Looks like we got new steering gear here. Looks like the idler arm is new. Looks like tie rod ends are new also. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Always look at the core support too. Core support will tell you the story too. Again, it's a thinner metal, so it'll tell you the story. And again, stuff lays up in here, so it's one of the first things to go on these cars. You can see the chrome on the front bumper, definitely been redone. Nice and shiny down here, even on the bottom. I mean, everything about the car is nice and clean, nice and neat. You can tell somebody's really taken a lot of care on this baby. Now, up front here, we got the Buick wheels, which always have looked sharp. 245 60/15s on the tires. You can see the wheel lip moldings, nice and clean, nice and neat. Wheel wells are also nice and clean. You can see down here on the bottom edge of the front fenders, nice and clean under here also. That pinch weld's looking good. The rocker molding's looking good. See how nice and neat that pinch weld is. See how nice and clean the edge of the frame is. All things you need to consider and look at when you're looking at one of these cars. Let's see if I can find the size here. Oh, let's see. Looks like 245 60/15s back here. Again, wheel lip molding's looking good here, and the wheel wells are nice and clean. Well, let's get under the hood and take a look what's making power. All right, under the hood here, we've got the Buick numbers matching 350. It's got a quadrajet 4-barrel on it. It's got power brakes, power steering. It's got the correct intake on it. It's got the correct air cleaner on it. Can you imagine trying to find this Buick air cleaner? I mean, that is a real find to still have that on the car. It's got the correct hood on it, all the baffles. I mean, this thing is amazing, guys. I tell you, a lot of this stuff got ripped off these cars, thrown away, put in somebody's garage, tucked away, never to be found again. So the fact that this car still got all of its original stuff is a real rarity. Everything's nice and clean under here. You can see firewall's nice and clean. All the wiring looks good. All the hoses look good. You can see the upper control arms look like they've been rebuilt. Looks like I see brand new shims in there. Looks like I see new cooler lines going to the transmission. Exhaust manifolds have been, looks like they've been painted with some high heat paint to make them look like bare metal. The power booster looks like it's new. Everything about this car is amazing, guys. Let's see the paint work right down into the bottom edge here as it comes into the engine compartments, all been done on the fenders. All the chassis black on the firewall, inner fenders, and the bottom side of the hood. They've went as far as putting new fiberglass in here. I tell you, great care has been taken on this car on the restoration. Call Tom today, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.